Alright, this is a basic why you need a hand throttle. This is just a pavement, but steep hill. It's hard to tell it's steep, but it's pretty steep. I did install this Teraflex hand throttle. Show you guys why you need it when going off-road with a stick shift. Right, here, this is your face right here. And then okay, just tool drive right now. Okay, the hand throttle is off. Try not to wiggle too much. Okay, let's just get a little bit of angle here. Alright. So here, look at this here. So right now the hand throttle is off. We're in a steep hill. Let's face it this way. Just like that. So hold it right there. Hold it right there. Okay, first gear. Okay, try to do halfway clutch. Do as fast as I can, switching from brake to gas. You get it a little bit steeper. Okay. Alright, a little bit steeper now. Just put it here, Jacob. No. Actually, okay, first gear. Okay, go up. Assistant here. Okay. Okay, so we rolled there a little bit. Now imagine it was a super steep, scary hill. So I'm gonna do a. Okay. Just do it slow when you pan. All right. So I'm gonna do the hand throttle. Here, try. Check. Okay, a little RPM up.